Daily ABC and ABCP Combi Oven Cleaning. In this video, we will cover daily ABC and ABCP Combi Oven cleaning. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. Cool down and soften grime. Set temp to 190 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes to cool and soften grime in the cavity before cleaning with 100% humidity. Turn the unit off and rinse the oven cavity with filtered water from spray hose, ensuring all areas are wet, including the ceiling of the cavity. Using a squirt bottle or pump sprayer, apply Combi cleaner while the unit is off. An approved list of Combi cleaners can be found in your operation manual. After about 10 minutes, rinse the cavity, making sure to let the cavity drain between rinses. Manually wipe down the interior door glass and gasket using a soft, lint-free cloth with mild soap and water. Do not use deliming chemicals or anything abrasive on the glass or gasket. Also make sure to empty and clean drip trays. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan Combi oven. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.